Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Tips for Event Staff. As you all know, I'm the brand representative of the School of Event Staff. My name is Blessing. On our previous video, we talked about why you should avoid gossip during an event. In this video, I'm going to be giving you at least 5 strategies you can adopt that can help you get noticed by event staffing or recruiting agencies or even modeling agencies at large. Before we dive right into today's topic, don't hesitate to subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell to always get notifications whenever we post helpful tips as this. And also, do not forget to purchase our ebook. Our ebook comprises of the 10 guiding principles that would help you navigate through the event staffing industry without a hitch, right? It will help you with the wisdom of savings, it will help you with casting dilemma, it will help you to navigate through peer pressure as you are growing in the event staffing industry. You can click the link on our bio or call the number on our bio to make a purchase for our ebook. Without taking too much of your time, let's dive right into today's topic. Our topic for today is how to get noticed by event staffing agencies or modeling agencies in the industry. Number one on our list is volunteer and gain experience. If you're an event staff that you're just starting off, you do not know much about the event staffing industry, and you are craving to become an event staff, you want to be a model, you want to be an usher, you want to be a brand ambassador, right? You can reach out to event staffing agencies by volunteering to work with them for free. Yes, I said that, right? While you are growing as an event staff, before you get noticed, you have to work with people. You must start to volunteer to work with them, right? Me saying volunteer doesn't mean that, okay, there's nobody you volunteer with and say you want to work with them, that they will not just tip you and give you at least cover for your transport fare and for your feeding for that day. But at least you have gained experience for that particular event, especially if it is a wedding gig. And while you have gone for that wedding gig, you will still get to meet other event staff that are also on the same page as you. You can also still communicate with them for further gigs as well. And then again, when that agency have other events, they will also want to recruit you. Yes, because what you just did is sacrificial on their previous event. You volunteered to work even without getting paid. And when you are going, or better still, they can even give you half of the payment. Let me tell you one thing about volunteering. It's like you having this strategy, you are stepping ahead of other event staff who are just waiting for recruitment, right? You have taken a sacrificial step, for the industry to know that you are serious and you are really interested in working. You are serious, you are passionate about working as an event staff, right? Or you can go for low paying jobs, right? Just to gain experience and build your network. You're not going to work as a volunteer for the rest of your life. It is a gradual process. You are coming into the industry, you don't know how it works. So you want to learn from experience. So if anybody is giving you the opportunity for a low paying job or you volunteering to work for free, it's not a bad idea for you to build your network, because when you go to the event, you will definitely meet other event staff. So you are connecting with other people alongside, right? You are gaining a network by doing so, right? So it is not that you are volunteering and that's how you'll be volunteering for the rest of your life and you're not gaining anything from it. It is to build a network. All right. That's why you are working for free for a particular event staffing agency, so that you can this could actually help you. You now have a portfolio that you can render to other agencies that you have experience in the event staffing industry for recruitment. When you volunteer, the agency, there's nobody you would work with that will not say, oh, take this to cover for your transport. Thank you for coming out today. Thank you for volunteering, right? You will just be a leader by example by doing that, right? And most of the times they can even give you half of the payment, even if they paid all other event staff a higher amount. Because you volunteer, they can still give you half of your payment that can cover up for your transport fare, right? So there's nothing wrong in volunteering. As long as you're in the industry, you will definitely grow. You will never work as a volunteer for life. It is to gain experience and to understand the industry at large. Number two, reach out to agencies directly, right? When you reach out to them in their DMs, this is what you should do. You should have already created a portfolio for yourself, right? In this portfolio, this portfolio should comprise of your name, your location, your statistics. If you have not worked as an event staff before, you include it there. Ensure that the picture in your portfolio is a professional picture, right? I've made a video on professional pictures. You should go check it out and watch it to understand what I'm trying to say in this reach out to agencies directly, right? Use a very good portrait picture, a very good professional picture that includes your location, your statistics, your name, where you're from, if you are you're a student or you're an entrepreneur, just create a portfolio for yourself, right? Ensure to send that to their DM. If you send that to like 10 or 15 uh, agencies, at least two are going to respond to you. Maybe when they have events, they can always add you up and all of that stuff, right? Don't just go to their DM and just write, I'm interested, without creating a portfolio for yourself. That portfolio sets you apart because there will be no further questions asked, because it's just like an event staff CV that comprises of the details about you. You send it to their DM, send it to various event staffing agencies. This could help you when they see your portfolio. They go through it. They'll be like, oh, this person is serious. This person is interested in event staffing. Okay, maybe when we have events, they can just send you a link to their group, to their WhatsApp group, where you can get continuous updates for jobs in your locality, right? Number 3 is for you to have the ability to connect and to network with people who are already on the field, right? If, for example, you want to work as an event staff, you are craving to work as an event staff, or maybe you have a friend who has been working as an event staff for a while, you can ask her, oh, how do you get these jobs? I would like to join. I've made a video regarding connectivity, right? You can check our YouTube channel, you can check our Instagram page. The video is right there where you can learn on how to connect with people, right? When you go for weddings, you go for social events, maybe you go for an exhibition, right? Or maybe you go for basically any social event at all, and you see event staff working. Maybe you see hostesses, you see models, you see ushers. You approach them, hi, how did you guys get this job? I'm interested in working as an event staff. Who can I speak with? Who is the coordinator? Who can I talk to? Right? You approach them, you talk to them. See, let me tell you something, right? When you are trying to get these gigs, when you're trying to talk to people, a lot of people will say no to you. I said this in my previous video. Don't bother yourself about the people that are saying no to you. As long as you align yourself with these guidelines that I'm putting out, right, you will definitely have a successful reign as an event staff, right? So approach them, approach these people, talk to them. If the people at the event you went for, maybe a wedding, and the next wedding you go for, you see ushers there, ask them, I want to work as an usher. Who can I talk to? Communicate with them. Don't be shy. Don't be ashamed. If you talk to one of the ushers, they did not answer you, because most of them can have attitude. Most people have attitude. They might not want to respond to you. They might not want to give you details. Maybe because for security reasons, or maybe because they do not know you, right? Approach other event ushers. How do you guys get this job? I'm interested. They can just point their coordinator to you, or even point the event planner that go and meet her. She's the one that called us for this event. You get from there. That's how you build your network. That's how you connect with people, and that's how you can even land yourself your first gig as an event staff, right? Number 4, use social media. Social media is a very magnetic tool that you can use to get noticed by event staffing agencies or modeling agencies. Follow their social media platforms. Follow them on Instagram, maybe on Facebook, maybe on whatever social media that you are active on, maybe on TikTok. Follow these agencies on social media. Avoid and comment on their posts. Avoid comments like, I am interested. I see a lot of comments, most event staff writing, I am interested. You're interested in what? Like I said on number 2, create a portfolio. After you have created a portfolio, you have sent it to their DMs, right? Comment on their posts. When you comment on their posts, avoid comments like, I am interested. You must be intentional about what you want. Instead of commenting, I am interested, why not just compliment the agency at large? Why not just compliment the event that was posted on their social media, instead of just writing, I am interested? To me, I am interested shows on seriousness. Because what are you interested in? You just say you're interested and you go away. Okay, what if the agency even needs you? Like maybe they need extra hands for their event. That you are interested. Are they the ones that will now come to your DM and come and start sending you a message that you are available? You will be the one that will be intentional about what you want. You will be the one that will come to their comment section, write, compliment, go to their DM and drop your portfolio. Do you understand? And drop your location. A lot of you will say you are interested, but you don't drop your location. So they don't even know if, for example, my agency works remotely. We work in different states. When you come to my DM, for example, and you did not write your location, you just write that you are interested. When I have events in Benin, or maybe we have events in Lagos, we don't even know where to place you, because we don't even understand your locality, right? So this portfolio that you are creating is really going to help you help them know your statistics, help them know, since you put your dress size, your statistics, I mean, statistics means your height, your overall body statistics, your age, just like I said on number 2, that you create a portfolio like a CV, like an event staff CV, right? So that when you even comment on their post, they'll be like, who is this person that's always commenting on our post? What state is she at, right? They'll pick interest in you. That way, that's a strategic way to get noticed by event staffing agencies. If you see any of their posts that you like, that resonates with you, and you wish to work with this particular modeling agency or event staffing agency, you share their post to your story. Who has shared our posts? They go there and they see you. Even when they check their message, they already see that your portfolio is already lying there in their DM. If it's an agency that normally gets 1,000 comments, 3,000 comments, I can say, okay, maybe it might not be very easy for them to scoop out your comment. And even if it is not even easy for them to scoop out your comment, by you sharing to your story, they are getting a notification. Do you understand? So these are ways that you can get noticed by event staffing agencies. Don't just lie there and be writing you're interested. They are not the ones that will come to your DM. You will be the one to go to their DM. Post your portfolio, let them know that you're interested, and let them also know your location. Because a lot of event staff are writing out to us. They don't put their location. We don't even know their location, right? Our DM is full, but we don't even know what location. And most of the times, we cannot start going and be asking, what location are you? Most of you have not even created your portfolio, right? So this video should serve as a guide to event staff on social media who want to work with event staffing agencies. You must be intentional about what you want. Create a portfolio for yourself, and this depicts seriousness. This depicts that you are really interested in working as an event staff. All right. So that's it for number 4. The last but not the least, number 5, build a strong online presence. Ensure that as you are going to agency's page to comment on their post, to share their post, ensure that you have built a strong online presence. It's not that after you've been commenting on their post, you have been complimenting their work, they now go to your page to check, they see that your page is dormant. There's no picture of you. There is no certification of any event that you have done, right? There's no picture of you. There's no picture of you. There's no online presence, right? There's no skill. There's nothing that you do. You know that as an event staff, for example, you want to become an event staff or anything, you must have posted the platform, the page that you use to comment on agencies platforms, right? Should be a page that you would have written if you're an entrepreneur, if you're a makeup artist, if you're a baker, it should state it there on your bio, so that that's what I mean by a strong online presence, so that they can at least see that you're doing something for yourself already, right? They should know what you are all about as a person, right? You know that most times most event staff are entrepreneurs. Even there are event staff that they are not only into event staffing alone, they are not into modeling alone. They have a side brand that they do, that they manage, right? So if you're a baker, if you're a makeup artist, put it right there on your bio, right? That's how to build a strong social media presence, so that they know that you have something that you are doing, right? Aside ushering, aside modeling, aside activation. Don't be surprised that most times when they even have events, they might even recommend you as their makeup artist for their event, right? If you rent out outfits for ushers, they can even make you their plug. So that's what I mean by creating a strong online social media presence. Ensure to have a skill. Ushering should not be the only skill that you have, right? Or ensure that you are doing other things that could also complement you as an event staff as well, right? I have most of my event staff, they are entrepreneurs. Some of them are bakers, some of them are makeup artists, right? They have other side hustles that they do, right? Post lovely pictures on your social media. They should not come to your social media platform on your page. Oh, who is this person that is sharing our post? And they come to your page and they see that your page is dormant. You don't even have pictures. The last picture that you posted was picture from 2019. So it doesn't work like that, right? There's no event staffing agency that doesn't want to work with an event staff that is active on social media. So you must try as much as possible to bring out that active skill that you have. Place it there on your platform, right? Or let your profile show your skill, your certification, your experience, right? On other fields aside event staffing, right? Ensure that the page that you're using to comment on their social media platform is not dormant. If you already have experience as an event staff, right? Write it there. If you already have experience as an event staff, let a few pictures of you working as an event staff be on that page, so that they know you have an experience. If you do not have experience at all, ensure that you have a skill, like experience in other aspects. You have certification on other aspects, on entrepreneurship. If you're a baker, it should be stated there that you bake. If you're a makeup artist, it should be stated there that you're into clothing. It should be stated there. Okay, let your pictures be there on your page. Don't send messages to event staffing agencies or comment on their post with a dormant Instagram handle or a dormant TikTok handle, because they most likely want to go to your page and see what you post, right? Ensure that your posts are also, most of your posts are educative as well, right? Don't just go there with a dormant page. There's no agency that wants to just recruit any kind of usher from the roadside. Although you're still going to be trained, you're going to be taught what you're going to do. However, your social media presence should still be strong, right? Remember building relationships and consistently delivering high quality portfolios, high quality pictures, strong social media presence is key to getting noticed by recruiting event staffing agencies or recruiting modeling agencies, right? So you must ensure to be on the right path. I hope this tip helps. If you find this video helpful, don't hesitate to follow us on all the social media platforms showing on your screen. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell to always get notifications whenever we post helpful tips as this. Like, comment, and share to your friends. See you in our next video. Thanks.